Life as a fighter jet. So today we are bombing Iran. And if you guys feel offended, I'm sorry. Actually, no, we're bombing a random country. We're not bombing Iran. No up. We'll pick a country. Let's see. Actually, no. POV life as a fighter jet. Mission bomb Iran. Find the White House and bomb it. Sir, I said find the White House and bomb it. Alright, I'm trying to. I really don't know where it is. It's a big house, and you should know where it is. Okay, fine. Lock eyes on target. Destroy! Hey. Destroy! Mission bomb the White House complete. Dun, 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 dun. As you can see, this is supposed to be lava. Hey. I cannot do my dance. Mission bomb the White House complete. Quick, return. They're sending other fighter jets to your way. On the radar, I can see. Oh, alright. Boom. Stop wasting bombs. I just have to make them pay. I miss. Ow! My aircraft. I can't hit trees no more. I can't afford to hit trees. What is this? The poop? Hey. Alright, we need you to test. Okay, it's called the underwater. It's called the bunker bomb. It goes 4 bunkers. So it only goes to bunkers. If it doesn't reach the bunker, it won't explode. Okay. Let's test that. Let me throw. I don't hear nothing. Well, let me put more. Now we need the submarine. Life as a submarine. Oh yeah, we can see. Oh, the bomb does.
What is this?
Reading challenge. Read a comic book. Read a mystery book. Read a book about an ocean animal. Read a book that takes place in winter. Read poetry. Read song lyrics. Read a book that is about friends. Read a how-to book. Read a book that take places in the summer. Read a joke book. Read a chapter book. Read a in-fiction book.
Bro, I do not even have all these books here. I do not even have all of those books.
Oh, hell no, you can't do this. Here, take it back. Boop, 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 boop.
I do not have.
Well, just leave it and do it, because you don't have all of them. I just created a house. Help! I'm stuck in here. What is this place? What is this? Oh, help. What is that? Huh? This is a tiny void. What? Where am I? What is that? I'm dying! Help me! I'm back. Oh, guys, goodbye!